To talk to you about this is for a Ferrari F355. This particular car is a 1995 vehicle. This is the roof module. So this is for the electric roof to go up and down. It sits inside the center console. I'll show you that in a minute. But what happens with these ones is that it breaks down. So when you put the roof up, it bleeps at you so you can move it, but it won't actually move when you press the button on the center console. It doesn't move. So this is the center console button here. So when you're moving this, it doesn't do anything. We do repair these now. So if you want to send yours in, we can repair them, not a problem. So you send it in to us, we'll check that it's not working and repair it for you and send it back to you. There will be a link in the comments for the purchase of the service on our website. But I'll just show you where it's located. So it's actually located. Get up. It's actually located over here. So you're just going to remove the screws, 2 screws here, and there's another 2 on the other side, and this just pops off. There's another one in here, but it's actually located here. And the way to remove it is there's a bolt here on this side, 8mm bolt. On this side it'll be a bolt. On the bottom side it's actually a nut. And then you just remove the clips over here. You'll have to push the little noggins here. There's 3 plugs that you need to remove, and then that comes off that way. So it's pretty easy. All right.